Hi everyone, I'm Abdullah Sahid. I'm a software developer. Today I'll be solving one of technical interview question on leetcode. And the question is all about removing the duplicate from sorted array. That is, we are given a sorted array in which we have like four duplicate numbers. Like we have one, two, then two, two, then we have three, four. And then we are now asked to remove the duplicate number from this sorted array. Now this is the question. Sorry, I will skip the question. I will just go to the example. Yes, you can read the question and understand it. Because if I should be reading the question now, it will take long time. Now, this is what I have. This is an example. Input norms. We are given an array of norms of 1, 1, 2. That is the element, the numbers in this given array is 1, 1, 2. Here we have 2, 1. This is 1. This is another one. Then we have 2. Now what we have to do is to remove 1 here, and it will be left with only 1. Then we will now return the number of the remaining elements. Now here output is 2. That is norms is what? 1, 2. Because we are left, after we have removed 1 here, we are left with 2 elements here, which is 1 and 2. Do we get it now? So we return the index, which is k, the number of the remaining elements after we have removed the duplicate. That's what it means. Now, to the second example, we are given norms of array. That is, we have array of numbers 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. And we are asked to remove duplicate. That is, we are asked to remove the numbers that occur more than once. That is, if you can check this one very well, we have 0, which occur 2 times, and we have 1, which occur 3 times, and we have 2, which occur 2 times, we have 3, which occur 3 times, and we have 1, 4, which occur 1 time. Now, what you're asked to do is remove the duplicate. That is, remove the first one and leave the second one. For 0, I can remove either this one and leave this one. For 1, I can remove the 2 and leave this one. And for 2 here, I remove 1 and leave the remaining one. For 3, I remove 1 and leave what? The remaining one. Do we get it now? So that's that. And see, the output is 5, because after we have removed all the duplicate, we are left with what? 5 unique elements. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we remove the remaining one. Do we get it now? So let's go and write the code for this solution. Let's write the solution for this problem. And for us to solve this kind of problem, there is a technique we use. We call it two indices approach. And this is how we do this approach. We set 2 indices. One will start from index 0, and another one will start from the first index. That is, one will start from here. Do you get it now? We'll start from one from here, and the second one will start from here. Do you get it now? So we use 2 indices approach then, and for us, I will set the first indices. Let me name my first indices I. So this is my first index out of the 2 indices. Now again, for us to continue, then I have to the size of my array. So the size of my array, I have to define it. So just let me represent into length to represent what? The size of my array. That's norms dot length. Do you get it now? That is, this norms, this is the name of the given array. This is how we define an array in Java. Array is only consists what? The number of the same property. It might be numbers, it might be character, and it might be string. But this time around, we are storing numbers. Do we get it now? So that's what it's all about. Then again, after I've already done this, then the next thing for me to do is to do what? Then to iterate through the given array. And how do I iterate through the given array? And this is how we iterate. We use for loop in Java. Now I'm iterating. That is, I'm iterating this. Let's say I'm iterating through this. Then this one shows that I'm starting from here, not here. This index 0, this index 1. I'm starting from here, then up to the point that is less than the size of the given array. Then I'm incrementing by 1. That is, I'm moving by 1. That is, I'm starting from here to this one, to this one, to this one. This is what this one means. Do you get it now? Okay. And remember, we are saying, I told you we are using two indexes. This is the first index, and this is the second index. Do you get it now? Now, if there will now be a condition that if that condition is true, then certain things should happen. That is, if what norms I go to what norms G is not, sorry. That is, if norms I, that is the previous element, is not the same as the current element. Do you get it now? This is the previous one, and if it's not the same as the current one, then what should happen? I will increment the number, the size, the number of I. As we increment the position of I. This is what it means. If this one is not the same as this one, that is, this is the current, this is the previous, this is the current. If this one is not the same as this, then I should increment the position of this one should come to this place. Do you get it now? That is I plus plus. Do you get it now? This I plus plus means that this position should come to this point only if this one and this one are not the same. Do you get it now? Then after that one happens, then the previous one will not be in the position of the current element. Now, after that one happens, then norms I norms G. Do you get it now? You know, when this one and this one are not the same, then this one should come to this place. Do you get it now? That shows that the position of this one now has changed to this one. This is what this length of code means. Do you get it now? But if this one and this one, if they are the same, that is, if 0 and we have 0 here, as we have 0 here, we have another 0 here. That shows that they are the same. This condition is not true. Then what will happen? I have to return from this if statement. Do you get it now? Then I will return what? Return I plus 1. Do you get it now? So if this condition is not true, I have to return what? I plus 1. That is the next element of I, which is this one. That is, this I, this I plus 1. Then I have to return this one. Now we keep looking. And if this condition is true, then we continue replacing the position of previous elements. Do you get it now? And assign it to the position of the current element. Do you get it now? But if the condition is not true, then we use this one. Do you get it now? So that's what it happens. So do you get it now? So that's how we do this one. Let me run the code and see whether we transfer or not. Okay. There's an error. Okay. Where is the error? Okay, return. Okay. Yes, I've corrected that one. Let me run it again. It's accepted. That's what we got the answer. Do we get it now? So the solution is right. So let me submit and check the test case. So the solution is accepted. Let me check the details. Okay. See now, runtime is 2 minutes. That is, it's still perfect. That's the time complexity of the solution is 2 minutes. and it's among the best time complexity ever. We get it now. And the memory